Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever needed to shrink an image super fast? Today, I'll show you how to slash your image size in seconds using the free Windows Photos app. No expensive software, no complicated steps, just quick, easy, and free. Let's jump right in. Check this out, we've got a massive photo here. First, right-click File Info. Look at these specs. 6585 by 4390 pixels. That's huge. 9.3 megabytes. 300 dpi. 24-bit depth. Now, right-click again, resize image, and boom, the magic happens here. This tool doesn't just let you resize your image, it also offers multiple file format options and, most importantly, reduces image size, exactly what we've been looking for. Formats like PNG, TIFF, BMP, and JPG are available, but JPG is the one we want. Let's click on it. As you can see, by default, it preserves 80% of the original quality, shrinking the file size from 9.3 megabytes down to just 1.3 megabytes. If we lower the quality to 50%, the image size drops even further, under 800 kilobytes. But usually, 75% quality is the sweet spot. So, we'll save it at 1.1 megabytes. Now, let's compare both images side by side. Left side, original quality, 9.3 megabytes. Right side, 75% quality, 1.1 megabytes. Let's zoom in to check the details. Incredible! Even with such a massive file size reduction, the quality remains impressively sharp, zooming at 75% quality. Still looks fantastic. And here's the original size again. Windows Photos did an amazing job.